This is Northern Shop iChannel. We are here at Loftus Stadium, Mamelodi Sundowns 3, Captain City. North, I'm with Amakhosi for life. Yeah. Let me start with you, my brother. How do you feel about the game in Amhlanje?
Game in Amhlanje was well, my brother. We wish to see them next week. We're gonna kill them
this weekend.
This weekend, yeah, this Saturday.
Why So do you think you're gonna beat them on Saturday?
Definitely, my boss. Definitely. Yeah. 5-0. Yeah,
5-0.
Yes.
Who's gonna score those goals?
I'm not sure, but it's gonna be 5-0.
Yo. Yamuzo 5-0. No, feel like before Saturday. Yeah.
Okay, congratulations to Mamelodi Sundowns. Yeah, I win. So I came here to support the captain. Friends of Captain City.
Yeah.
Okay, angifuna ukukhuluma kakhulu.
Osduma ngabani?
Angifuna ukukhuluma kakhulu sikuwane. Nginomngane wami la JC.
Yeah, JC. Yeah. So Saturday nawe ukhuluma njengomngane wakho ukuthi uzowina na.
Mina. Yeah, I saw 2-1.
Number 1. 2-1. JC.
Bhuti wami. Ngicela ukusupport umngane wami le. Saturday
usupportani wena upakaniya.
Okay, sharp. Saturday ngicela ukusupport umngane wami le. But isupport yami yazi ne.
How you have?
Hard mngane wami. Kuzoba i-drop igame Saturday 1-1.
And then angithi cup game kuzoba extra time. Yeah.
Extra time. Izoya kuma penalty. I-Chiefs izone kuma penalty.
Beautiful.
Yeah. Ayizokuna and ngizokutshela ama scorer ne. Kule 1-1. Usirino uzokora because ufuna uprove point. Angithi uyazi ukuthi i-access Sundowns. Uzofuna uprove point. Uzokora ulo Usirino. Sharp. Ku Sundowns uyazi ukuthi hayi ku Sundowns vele i-mix masala bafaka noma ubani. Ucoach uzama ukulungisa into engamoshekanga. Sundowns clean, sharp. So bona ukuthi uzofaka bani. Mara ku Sundowns uRibeiro uzokora. Yeah, uzokora.
Isikhokho, yeah.
Yeah, isikhokho uRibeiro. Uzokora it's either nge-penalty or uzokora clear. You understand? Sharp. Mara 1-1. And then kuma penalty uzowina i-Chiefs.
Yabona mina into engithanda ne.
Yeah.
Bengafuna score like first half or second half. Ngifuna second half score 89 minutes.
Libasizwe uhlungu.
89 minutes?
Yeah.
Usirino. Sicela ukubabona kumfukeni.
But Marabona.
Yeah.
Is either Usirino or Vilagazi.
No, I all the best mafethu. Asithemba ukuthi nizobuya nayo eKhaleni Cliff.
Bona.
Asifisela inhlanhla bafowethu.
So bakaniya ola. So thanks.